Hi there, Smart Drivers. Rick with Smart Drive Test talking to you today about something you might not expect from motorcycle riders. And no, it's not the rider stalling his machine. Stick around, we'll be right back with that information. Hi there, Smart Drivers. Welcome back. Talking to you about motorcycle riders, and you can see this rider here, and took me by surprise the other day when I was following the rider and the rider made a right-hand turn. It wasn't until afterwards that I realized the rider was using his hand signals. This is a right-hand turn signaling left-hand turn and then slowing down or stop. And it's a little easier to see when the motorcycle rider is off the bike. Here the rider is indicating right, left, and slow down or stop. So know that may be unexpected, and also bicycle riders will also be using hand signals, and you can see here a little bit more clearly when I zoom in on the motorcycle rider and highlight the rider. You can actually see the rider indicate a right-hand turn with hand signals. Thanks very much for watching. If you like what you see here, subscribe and click for another video.